Hello everyone, I am Sakshi Sharma, currently studying in BSc Honours Agriculture second year. On the behalf of Sri Vinayak College of Agriculture, today I am going to introduce you all to the very important part of agriculture called harvesting. So harvesting is the basic part in which we gather the plants, the mature plants and cut them. Different crops require different seasons, different time according to their crop variety and crop type. So there are wheat crops, but before explaining you about wheat crop, I am going to explain you a short criteria that is very important and required for harvesting. Before harvesting, we have to make sure the moisture level of the crop and the weather conditions, the storage area is available for the crop or not, and the crop type and its variety. So the major important criteria for harvesting are, firstly, the temperature. The temperature should be dependable on the crop. Like if we talk about wheat, the wheat crop is sown in the month of October and harvested during the month of March last or May, April. Okay, so before using that, I'm going to explain you the moisture content. Every crop has its different moisture level for storage. Before cutting wheat crop, there is necessary that I should left some at least 20 to 25% moisture content for harvesting. After harvesting, there will be 10 to 12% moisture left. For that, I'll cut the harvest the crop and store it like in a triangular structure, for what through the sun rays it can be stored properly and dry and left 10 to 12% of moisture content. Then I'll store it on a field, near to the field, in a dark place where it can be safe and can be protected from severe damage. Now the weather conditions. So there are weather conditions in the different areas. Different areas require different weather conditions, different temperature, different optimal pH level of the soil. Here we are talking about soil. Soil pH is required, at least 6 to 7% of pH level is required for wheat crop. Now I am going to introduce you to the wheat. There are some necessary points to be remembered before harvesting any crop. Now, wheat is a Rabi season crop, means winter season crop, as I told you about October month sowing. So it is a Rabi season crop. It is grown in the temperate regions, mostly in India. Some states where we grow the crop of wheat are Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh and many more. Wheat can't be grown in the area where there are so much of rainfall and density. So now I am going to explain you the wheat varieties. Firstly, we will see about the species. There are many species of wheat: Triticum aestivum, Triticum vulgate, Triticum sporococcum, Triticum durum, and more about these. So when we harvest a wheat crop, let me show you. This is the spicle and the flower type is a spikelet. So we cut the wheat from the last portion of this crop. We used to cut it from this. This is called, in simple language we call is dantli, and this is in English we call it sickle. Through this tool we cut it by our hand, but we can also use new machineries as they are available in the market, like combine harvester, platform harvester and many more. I'll take it in my right hand, and through my left hand I'll take some plants and I'll cut it from here. Then I'll store it like this. Then after storing in a particular place, I'll bind it in a bundle and then make some triangular like structures so it can get some sun rays for the moisture content. Then the moisture level will decrease at least from 10 to 12% and the crop will be ready for threshing and many other projects. So before threshing, it is required to remember about the major qualities of the crop. It is important to test the quality before selling it out for commercial purpose. Now I am going to tell